What you can also do is bring in pre-made objects from the library. So to do that, you need to go to the library tab right here. And over here, you can see under the template folder, here you can see some action. There's some characters right here that you can bring in. There's some effects, there's props, sets. Those are the pre-made icons right here. So not all of the folders have things right here because we haven't added in any library items, which we can do as well. But let's just focus on the pre-made objects that we have right here. So as I click, you can see on the actions, we got some graphics. But if I want to view the preview of the graphics, I'm going to go around and right click and then go to view. And if I were to click on thumbnails, then you can see that I can actually see a preview of them. So you can click and drag them around right here and you can see that it is here. So you can go around over here onto, let's say, for example, the selection right here. So you can go around and select out. Let me just go around and select out this object, just like this. And you can see that you can move those things around over here. Let me just go around and then press Ctrl Z, select out everything by using the selection tool right here. And then I can move everything, as you can see, just like this. Similarly, you can bring in other graphics right here, just like this. And you can see that there's a lot of things that you can use. Like there's the character right here that you can bring in over here as well. And all of them are vector graphics right here. So you can bring in, let's say, sets right here, just like this, even sets, as you can see right here. And you can go around, you can go see and select different things, as you can see right here. So there's the street right here. Let me just go around. You can bring individual items here and there, or you can select out all the items and move them all together, as you can see over here as well. And that is how you can use existing libraries and bring in existing objects inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.